dark and stormy night. A boat was in the sea. It spun and tossed for days and years. But suddenly it crashed into a. But finally, it crashed into a dock. It started to sink, but the men got off before it sunk, but it started to float up. Because the bottom of the boat was made of a material that floats. And when the man got on it again, it sunk because there were too many people on it, but it started to float again. And then they paddled their way back to where they came from. The end.